Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. Today's video, it's going to be super easy. Mr. Hino, we have these two connectors, the blue and the tan connector in our LEGO EV3 kit. What is the difference between these two connectors? They're identical as far as the shape and the size. Is there a difference? If you want to see what the difference is, stay with me. Hey guys, this is Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for checking out my channel and this video. If you love robotics and want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, so some of you might know the answer to this. You can go ahead and give me your expertise again. These blue connectors and this tan connector. Why are there two different colors? They look identical, and what we want to do is find out today, is the myth true? So I've been hearing that with the blue and this tan connector, one offers a little less resistance than the other, little less friction. So today what I want to do is do an experiment to see with the blue and with the tan, if I were to put a beam on both of them, which one would spin farther? So that would tell me which one has the least amount of friction and obviously the less resistance. So today I'm going to get my robot and I'm going to basically turn this into a spinner. I'm going to have my robot spin this and we're going to mark and basically plot how far does the spinner go with each connector on it. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, let me explain what's going to happen here. I have my makeshift paper here with a spinner and you can see that the blue connector is inside there. So I have it attached to this white beam. The robot's going to be right here. I'm going to put this black curved beam right onto that black spot. And I have this robot programmed to just spin. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this 10 times for each connector. 10 times for the blue, 10 times for the tan. And then I'm just going to mark where the beam ends up on the paper. And we'll see which one goes the farther out of these 10 times. So let's go ahead and watch the first one here. And I'll show you what I'll do with the marker. I have a 5-second delay. Okay, so I'll go ahead and mark the blue connector in pink. So I just made a pink little mark there. And then I'm just going to keep doing this 10 times. And we'll see who has the farthest marks. Whoa, that went really far that time. Okay, back on here. Okay. So go ahead, what's your prediction in the comment section? What do you think is gonna be farther, the blue or the tan connector? Okay. It might not be a cut and dry answer. I might have to plot this out to see which one, has the farthest distances. So there's 4 right there. Ooh, that one went right in the middle of those two. Okay, there's 5 times already. 5 more with this blue connector. It's not what I would have expected. I would have expected this to just be the same every time. Who would have thought? Okay, so there's 6, 4 more. Okay. Whoa, that might have been the farthest one. It's a little farther than that other one was. Let me show you. Ooh, pretty good. Okay, 2 more. Okay, we'll mark that. 1 more with this blue connector. And we are done with the blue connector. So those are the distances with this blue connector. We're now going to swap it out for the tan connector. And we're going to do this all over again. Are we having fun yet or what? Okay, so the tan connector's in. So what was your prediction? Do you think this is going to average out to be farther? Oh, let me cap this marker before it dies. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the tan connector in green. So here we go. See, this is what I mean by there might not be a clear-cut winner. I might have to plot all these out to get a winner here. I mean, you know, let's say that green is over here. We're not going to necessarily consider that a winner. Interesting. So you can see where the green has landed. Ooh, brutal. That was not a good one at all. That's, you know, when you take a test and the teacher throws out your worst score, that would be the one right there. Okay, we've gone 4 times with the green, and if we just went with those tries, I would say that the blue connector would win, but hey, we got 6 more trials here. Okay. I mean, green only has had 1 that has passed this 180-degree mark. So, you know, there's ways that we can figure out the winner here without necessarily plotting these out. Let's see how the rest of these trials go. Okay, so let's count because I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 more trials here with the tan connector. So if you said blue, it looks like you guessed right for the moment. Ooh. What is going on here with tan? Okay, we got 3 more trials. Yeah, tan just does not look like it's going to get... It's not going to get many more past this 180 mark here. Yeah, it seems to be... Okay, so there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more. Yeah, it looks like it's all in this area here. Okay, so let's get a good view of this. And I said before, we might not be able to declare a winner, but look at that. You can see where all the blue connector results were. This was the lowest one, and then these are all the green results here. That was the farthest one here. So it looks like with the blue connector, we're going to get a little bit less friction going on for some reason. Okay guys, so interesting enough that this little blue connector offers less resistance or less friction than this tan one would be. And that's kind of contrary to what I've been told or what I've read. I thought this was supposed to offer less resistance. So for my experts out there, it's time for you to chime in on this one. What is your take on the tan and the blue connector? I'd love to hear your expertise on this. You know, as far as the data shows, it shows that this blue one's supposed to have less resistance. Or, you know, if it's put into a LEGO EV3 piece, it's obviously this one would have or spin more. So, interesting experiment today, isn't it? So I'd love to hear from my experts. If there's something I'm missing, that's what we're here for, to kind of get expertise, some knowledge, and definitely a little bit of fun. Okay, guys, I am Mr. Hino from LEGO Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.